Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign in to your Signal app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone and go ahead and click on Transfer or Restore Account. So if you had a previous account on Signal, you should just go ahead and click on Restore Account or just click Continue and click Next. Go ahead and click on Allow and allow all of the notifications. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and choose your country code. Make sure that you had chosen the correct country code, otherwise you cannot sign in to your account. So go ahead and write down your phone number after that, click Continue, and after you click on Continue, you can see that this process will start. Go ahead and click on OK, and a verification code will be sent to your phone number if your country code and phone number was correct. After a while, it will automatically detect the verification code which has come to your phone, and after a while, you can now sign into your account quite easily. So, you can see that you had previously created a PIN for yourself. Go ahead and write down that PIN and click Continue. After a while, you can fully access Signal and you can start calling your friends, messaging them, and you can also send them video and everything. So you can just go ahead and set up your profile if you have not done, and then you can click on Next. So go ahead and do this and you can start doing and you can start chatting for free on Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.